Hello everyone, welcome to video part 2 of, of search engine journaling. So just to recap, I picked something that was stimulated my interest, my curiosity from the class. I journaled about it, just a short paragraph, and I constructed a Google search based on what I journaled. I used this to give me some ideas of words that I think might be in the kind of articles I'm looking for. Technology, yes. ITP, probably not. This is the thing. The question is, what words are most likely to appear in the articles I'm trying to find? Um, and this can give me ideas for words that might not be in there, like higher education. So I constructed the search, and as I was saying, this looks very interesting. Exploring electronic consciousness and online identity. Digital information in the information research field. This looks a little bit more general than what I'm looking for. As I was saying, this looks like an interesting article. The impact and power of social interaction software and its promising implications. Um, I'm looking for something that's a bit more of a critical examination than just talking about the promising implications. But the point I want to make here is the internet is a very immersive experience. And what can happen is I can find something not directly related to what I'm looking for, and it can become so fascinating that I can get absorbed and I can really lose my ground, lose my core sense of self, and just kind of just get lost in fascinating things that I find, and I'm kind of like tossed and turned by the winds of the internet or the waves of surfing the internet. This article looks interesting. Globalization, democracy, the internet in Arabia. This article looks like it might be even the closest to what I'm trying to find, because it's talking about the effects of the internet on, kind of like the cultural effects. However, it's on a country as opposed to a university or small organization. But um, so what I've done is I did this search, and I came across some things that you might say are in the neighborhood of what I'm looking for, but not on the street of what I'm looking for. And that's the thing about the internet. It'll take you to a fascinating neighborhood, and you can kind of get lost in the neighborhood as opposed to remembering the street that you're looking for. Now, on the other hand, it is okay if I'm staying centered to be impacted by what I'm seeing, for it to actually help clarify what I'm looking for. So it can be used to clarify, to develop what I'm looking for, to enhance and broaden what I'm looking for. But the key point I want to make is not to simply get lost in all the fascinating things that are just tangentially related to what you're looking for. And so what I'm suggesting you do, write a little journal paragraph, come up with a search, take a look at what you see, and use what you see in your search results to get a sense of uh, how close you are, to help clarify. And what you're going to do is you're then going to write a second journal entry. Elaborate more. Try to be even clearer. This gives you a sense of how clear you are based on how close the search results are to what you're looking for. And if they're only so close, go ahead and a second time write a second short journal entry, and we're going to cover that in part 3 of this activity.